Lighted travel makeup mirror with 1x, 10x magnifying double-sided dimmable portable. Design. Dimmable lighting with 3 color options. This mirror features 56 high brightness LEDs that offer warm light, natural light, and white light. Long press to adjust the brightness and tap to switch between light colors for the perfect glow. Rechargeable lighted makeup mirror. Equipped with a 600 mAh rechargeable lithium battery, this mirror provides about 1 hour of lighting on a full charge. You can also power it using a micro USB cable, making it convenient to charge with a 5 volts, 1A2A charger, power bank, or laptop. 1x and 10x magnifying mirrors. The 1x true light side is ideal for daily makeup, while the 10x magnifying side allows you to see intricate details for applying mascara, lipstick, and for blemish removal. Tip: keep the mirror 2 to 3 inches away from your face for optimal viewing. Portable and compact design, with a diameter of 4 inches and a thickness of just 0.7 inches, weighing around 0.45 pounds. This compact mirror is easy to carry in your handbag or pocket, making it perfect for travel. Perfect gift and quality warranty. An ideal gift for daughters, girlfriends, wives, mothers, or even for yourself. Enjoy peace of mind with a 1-year quality warranty on all deweisn makeup mirrors. Made from premium flame retardant ABS material and scratch resistant mirror glass for a perfect finish.